Hey, look like I got a whole pack here. Well, there's 2 of them. Hey, I got some more food. Forget you. Let's see if I can follow them. I got some wieners. They ate the wieners. Hey, how you doing? Okay, she got a smile, but she not gonna look me in the eyes. I just saw a whole pack of dogs. Let's see if I can find them. The pack leader, he didn't want nothing to eat. The pack leader was on a mission. But I got the Chihuahua and the other dog. There they go, right there. Hey. They on a mission. Let's see where they go. Yeah, they on a mission. I wonder where they going. They know I'm on to them, so they eventually. Hey, why y'all don't want nothing to eat? Hey, I got food. Hey, got food. Oh my God. Well, this one in front is the pack leader. So he's instructing the rest of them not to eat. So peace out.